the conditions for life on Earth. It's actually a cosmic accident. Most planets are completely unsuitable for supporting life, even terrifying. This is not a science fiction world. It's a real place in our universe. In this video, let's explore 4 of the most terrifying stars in the universe. Gliese 436b is about 30 light-years from Earth. It is 57 times the size of the Earth. It's only 4.20 million kilometers from its star. Its surface temperature is as high as 439 degrees Celsius all year round. For humans, it's hot enough to call it hell. You would think such a planet would be blanketed in hot magma and burnt rock. In fact, the opposite is true. It's a planet covered in sailors. Although the surface temperature of Gliese 436 arms is extremely high, much higher than the evaporation temperature of water, but due to the extremely high internal pressure, all the water vapor on the surface of the planet is evaporated and compressed into ice. This ice is certainly not the ice we are familiar with. It is a special, solid ice paint formed in a hypershear environment. It is much denser than ice on Earth. If you work together for the people, I want to play with ice cubes like this. He will immediately burn your hand off. So here's the interesting thing. Ultraviolet light emitted from the host star, causing a large amount of blue on the planet to spiral out of the planet, forming a beautiful comet tail. It's almost 16 million kilometers long. Beneath its every round appearance, hidden in a hellish world. Do you want to go and see for yourself? This beautiful blue marble alien planet might look very attractive, but if you are on a ship that passed him by, it is better to avoid his deceptive appearance. It is about 63 light-years from Earth, is a superclass planet with a bright blue atmosphere. It is precisely because of its blue appearance, so it was once known as the most Earth-like planet in the universe, due to the planet's proximity to its host star, causing its surface temperature to reach more than 1000 degrees Celsius. The beautiful blue color comes from the planet's deadly weather. The rain of fluffy glass keeps pouring down on the world. Except for glass fish, this planet also has the fastest winds in the universe. Surface winds can reach 9,000 kilometers per hour, makes the molten dragon glass fish go on a rampage around the planet at 7 times the speed of all other factors. If you have the worst enemy, can send him to this planet, guaranteed to make you feel good. At the end of a massive star's life, they run out of fuel and cause the star's core to die. Shuttle quickly unleashed the last nuclear fusion and superstar explosion. This is the most destructive event in the entire universe. They release enough energy to light up an entire galaxy. When the explosion is over, usually leaves behind a stellar remnant known as a neutron star. According to us, 2,300 light-years away, a pulsar, billions of years old, Lich. It appears to be surrounded by 3 rocky planets. To be more precise, a zombie world born from the ashes of a stellar explosion. Vulcan is a millisecond pulsar. It can spin 161 times per second. The mass is 1.4 solar masses, radius of about 10 kilometers. The surface temperature is approximately 28,582 degrees Celsius. Scientists speculate that the pulsar formed when two white dwarfs collapsed 3 billion years ago. These zombie worlds are named after the evil undead monsters of Norse mythology. The ghouls. Nightmare. The ghoul is the smallest one, only about 0.02 Earth masses, equivalent to the weight of 2 lunar balls. Gui and Mengin are his 2 older brothers. Its mass is about 4 times that of the Earth. The planet they orbit has an extremely powerful magnetic field that causes electric currents to form arcs in the vast space between planets and stars, generates a constant beautiful laser, similar to the northern lights on our planet. If you look through the beautiful aurora on this planet, you will see the pulsar spinning rapidly and send powerful beams of light into the darkness of space. Not every planet has stars. Some are lonely. They don't have any planetary friends or stars. These are rogue planets. They wandered alone in the endless darkness. PSOJ 38.5 to 212 is about 80 light-years from Earth. Very bleak. Visible light waves are 100 billion times less luminous than Venus, so it was discovered in recent years. According to infrared spectroscopy data, most of the planet's radiation is concentrated in the infrared, so it shows up in the infrared spectrum as a red that leans towards pink. It can be said that this is a very girly planet. This planet wanders in the dark. There's lots of iron in the atmosphere and very concentrated droplets of silicate. This causes the metal particles in the atmosphere to melt. Formation of metal clouds. It rains metal all the time. He's huge, 6 times the size of Jupiter, but only 12 million years old. A baby on a cosmic scale. Research shows that it formed in a planetary system similar to our own solar system, abandoned as an infant, and wander forever alone in a dark universe. Do you want to travel around these scary planets? Thanks for watching this video. If you like this kind of content, you might as well come to a one-click triptych to support it. See you next time.